YouTube. My name's Andrew, and today we are finishing up the tile entity cable class for our energy network. And then after we finish this class, we are going to start on the model rendering, or the model for the cable. Okay, so let's get right back into what we were doing, and we are going to come back on here and do public void on data packets, and we are going to call it network manager. We're not going to call this is what we have to call it, network manager, and then we're just going to call it manager. And then we are going to get this long thing. I'm not going to type it in again because it's so long. Packets, and then we are going to import network manager. And we're going to do read from NBT, and then packet dot func underscore 148857G. There we go. The next class, or the next public void method we're going to do is public void write to NBT, write to NBT, and then it's going to get the NBT ag compound, and tag and we are going to do super dot write to NBT and tag, and then we're gonna do energy bar dot write to NBT and then tag. Okay, and now we are going to do public void read from NBT, and then NBTT tag compound, and tag knowing me, I probably misspelled it. That's what I think it was. Okay. And then on the read, we're going to do super dot read from NBT tag and energy bar dot read from NBT tag. There we go. Now, I told you this on the last video about a class, or about transfer rate. So up at the top we did each each pipe holds 100 power, and then it transfers to, say, a machine. That's the next class, or the next method we're going to put in. So we do at override, and it's a public int get energy transfer rate and we are just going to return, it's just going to transfer 100 power. Okay, and then last method for in here is going to be, let me just grab this, add override, and then public block type, get type of block, and we are just going to return block type dot cable. Let me check. Why is that not working? Public blocked. Okay, so we have to figure out why that's not working. Aha. Alright, so we need to go I key. So we're gonna go to iEnergy, and gotta check something real quick because get type of block. Okay. There we go. Okay. That was gonna make me kind of irritated. Okay, and then let's see. I don't know what I forgot. Set last received. Okay, set last received direction. Alright. Okay, so it's supposed to be right here. Don't know how I forgot that. And it's this dot last received direction equals direction. There we go. So now the tile entity cable is now complete. So let's just close a bunch of these classes because they're not needed. There we go. Okay, so Let's see how good we're doing on time. That took longer than I thought. Okay, so, well, we can at least create the stuff. So we'll make a new package. Call it model. There we go. And then in model, we're going to create a new class. And I'm going to call it model cable. Okay, and then it needs to extends model base. And then we are going to do public static model cable instance equals new model cable. There we go. Let's just do the instance. And then we're going to do model render middle. Here, let's import model render. Alright, so model render west close in model render east closing model render east model render west model render north model render north north closed, and then capital. Alright. North closed. Model render. South. South. Model render. South closed. Model render. Let's see. South closed. Up. Model render. Up closed. Model render down. Model render down closed. There we go. Okay, and let's see on time. Okay. So my name's Andrew, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Goodbye.